Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. How are you all doing? I hope you're all doing fine. I hope you're all doing great. So today we are going to learn how to make this. You can actually do different varieties of stuffs with your flour, sugar, yeast, and the rest of them. So you can actually see the way the inside is. It tasted yummy, so sweet. So my mom did this and called it daily shop, but I think I prefer to call it pepper roll because of the filling used in making it. So what do you think we should call it? Also, if you want to know how we made this, keep watching. So for the fillings, we have our scotch bonnet pepper. Just pound it, and then onion, slice it. Make sure you slice it tiny. So after that, you put a little amount of oil in your frying pan and then fry your onion. Please make sure that the oil is like little. After frying everything, you will not, there should not be any oil, like you'll not be able to see any oil. I hope you understand what I'm trying to explain. So after that, you go ahead and add your pepper, salt, and seasoning cube. Sorry, I lost the video where I added the salt and seasoning cube. So after that, you bring it down and set it aside. So this is the flour. This is the flour we'll be using to make it. So we are trying to make the dough. So this is the flour. So for the flour, you go ahead and add your salt. If you add your salt, then mix it properly. Make sure you mix it properly. Then after that, you go ahead and add your yeast. After adding the yeast, you also go ahead and mix it. So after that, you go ahead and add your sugar. Make sure you mix it properly. Then water. Just warm water. You mix it. Then vegetable oil, and then you start mixing. Just start mixing it. If you feel that it's not coming together, that the dough is not coming together, you go ahead and still add water little by little. But please make sure you keep maybe 1 cup of flour aside, just in case it's too watery. Then you can go ahead and add a little bit of the flour. So that is it. So when mixing, you feel that the dough is not coming together, that you still need to add water. Make sure you add your water gradually. So you keep adding, and keep mixing it. As you can see, the water was somehow too much. So the a flour was added. So you have to just mix it in a way that it won't be sticky. You can see the way it is. If it's sticky, go ahead and add a little bit of flour. So you can see the way it is. It's not more sticky in the bath and in the hand. But make sure you wash your hand properly, please. Before you start this, make sure you wash your hand properly. So after that, it's ready. Our dough is ready. So what you need to do is to go ahead and size it depending on how big or small you want it. Just go ahead and size it. So for this one now, for this size now, if you want to sell it, like if you want to sell it, this is actually for 15 naira. This is actually for 15 naira. So depending on how you want to do yours, whether 15 naira, 100 naira, or 200, just size it the way you feel is okay. So after that, on a clean surface, you rub your vegetable oil on the surface, and then on the rolling pin, and then just roll it. You can see the way it's being done. So just roll it, and then the filling that we prepared earlier, you can see it. Just go ahead and add it, and then roll it. You set it aside. You can see the way it is. Then you continue. So this is what you just continue doing that till you are through with all those mold you did earlier. So just take your time. Just take your time. If the dough is sticky to the wood or something, like, just add a little bit of oil on the table or on the rolling pin, and then go ahead and fold it. Like, you can see the way it's been folded, and just set it aside. So that's just it. After that, you go ahead and cover it and allow it to rise. allow it to rise, and then you go ahead and fry it. Just add your vegetable oil when it's hot, add the add it and then fry. You can see the way it is. You can see the way it is. But after rolling it, please make sure you leave it for some like 30 to 1 hour for it to rise before you start frying it. I hope you understand. So that's just it. It's as simple as ABC there. You can see the way it is. Oh, delicious. Just look at the way the inside is looking. Ah, is this snacks not calling your name? Tell me if this snacks is not calling your name. I hope you learned something from this video. Do not forget to give me a like and share with your friends. Thank you.